Tired of chasing signatures and drowning in paperwork? Let's ditch the chaos and create a Signdoc with Docusign in just a few easy steps. First, head over to Docusign.com and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, you can sign up for a free trial. Once you're in, click on the New button, usually located on the top left, to start a new document. Select Upload and choose the document you want to send for signature from your computer. Docusign supports various file types, like PDFs and Word documents. Now, your document is displayed within Docusign. Take a look at it to make sure it is the correct document. Now, add your recipients by entering their names and email addresses in the designated fields. You can add multiple recipients and set the signing order if needed. On the left-hand side, you'll see a panel with different fields like signature, date signed, and text. Simply drag and drop these fields onto your document where you want your recipients to sign or fill in information. Make sure you assign each field to the correct recipient using the drop-down menu that appears when you click on the field. Once you've placed all the necessary fields, review everything to ensure accuracy. Then, click on the Send button. Docusign will then email the document to your recipients for signing. And that's it. You've successfully created a Signdoc with Docusign. Now you can track the signing progress and easily access the completed document once everyone has signed. Happy signing!